In this video, you'll learn how to create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Docs using Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to send personalized emails to a whole list of people in just a few clicks without having to write each message one by one. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Google Drive is the central place where all your Google Docs and Google Sheets will live, so everything we create will stay nicely organized here. Next, you'll create the list of people you want to email. In Google Drive, click to create a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. This sheet will hold all of your recipient information. In the first row, add column headers such as first name, last name, email, and any other details you want to personalize like company or event date. Make sure these headers are typed clearly with no extra spaces because you'll use them later inside your email template. Below those headers, start filling in the information for each person, one row per recipient. Take a moment to double check email addresses because any typo here means that person won't get your message. Once your spreadsheet is ready, it's time to create your email template. Go back to Google Drive and create a new Google Docs document. This document will be the body of your email, the message that everyone will receive. Write your email just like you normally would. Include a subject line at the top, then your greeting, main message, and sign off. To personalize it, you'll use the column names from your spreadsheet as placeholders. For example, instead of writing "Hi there," you might write "Hi, first name," where the text inside the curly braces matches the exact header from your sheet. Do the same wherever you want personalized details to appear. This helps the mail merge tool know what to replace for each recipient. Now, you'll need an add-on that can perform the mail merge for you. In the Google Sheets spreadsheet, go to the menu bar at the top, choose extensions, then add-ons, and then click on the option to get add-ons. In the add-ons marketplace, search for a mail merge tool such as yet another mail merge. Install the add-on and follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to grant it permission to access your Google account so it can read your spreadsheet and send emails on your behalf. After installation, go back to your spreadsheet, open the extensions menu again, find your mail merge add-on, and choose the option to start or run a mail merge. The add-on will guide you through selecting the email template from Google Docs, choosing which column holds the email addresses, and mapping the placeholders in your template to the correct columns in your sheet. Once everything looks right, you can usually preview a sample email to make sure the names and details are showing up correctly. When you're happy with the preview, go ahead and run the mail merge. The add-on will send personalized emails through your Gmail account using the template you created and the data from your spreadsheet. That's it. You've set up a mail merge using Gmail, Google Sheets, and Google Docs, making it much faster and easier to send customized emails to many people at once.